Bullish Revain cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0 2030. Market investigators accept Rev could reach $0 2025. Bearish Revain market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Revain presentation. One of the main results of the crypto business extension is the development of a few useless undertakings. Another is that crypto advancements and blockchain frameworks are creating at lightning speed. Consequently, engineers should stay up to date with the most recent improvements inside the crypto space to guarantee that new ventures are viable with the prevailing security requests and client taste in the crypto space. Nobody cruises all over today in a pony truck. Notwithstanding the above mentioned, the crypto business is profoundly reliant upon good client experience and simple item collaboration. Could it not be fine assuming that there was a way for engineers to get client-driven data that recommends the prevailing taste of the market, the state-of-the-art innovation, and plans? Some Moscow specialists suspected as much, and they made Revain as a blockchain stage based on the Ethereum network that permits engineers admittance to extremely valuable data on the quality and execution of their items. Revain means to guarantee that items mirror the prevailing principles and taste of the market by outfitting designers with data through client reviews. What is Revain? Revain is a computerized stage for ETH-based blockchain project reviews. It gives the stage to engineers to get significant input with respect to the quality and operations of their tasks, utilizing shrewd agreements to guarantee the validity of reviews. Revain is the main web-based review stage that depends on blockchain innovation. All reviews are put away changelessly on the Ethereum blockchain, making them carefully designed. The blockchain's changelessness gives reviewers the certainty that their contemplations won't be erased or changed by anybody, including the venture creator. The Revain stage boosts clients to compose quality reviews by giving them prizes as token. Compensated reviews are then put away on the blockchain, which makes them unchanging. This implies organizations can believe the reviews on the stage, realizing they are veritable and can't be changed. Revain's utilization of blockchain innovation additionally considers straightforwardness among organizations and reviewers. Organizations can perceive the number of individuals that have reviewed their item or administration and what rating they have gotten. Then again, reviewers can perceive how organizations accept their input. This makes a commonly helpful connection among organizations and reviewers, as the two players need to work on the nature of the items and administrations advertised. Revain Key Investigation. Revain is the first of its sort to utilize the unchanging nature of blockchain innovation to guarantee straightforwardness in item reviews. The stage permits designers to get indispensable data that would illuminate alterations to their items, expanding its acknowledgement and similarity with prevailing business and security conditions. Furthermore, on the grounds that the crypto market isn't yet immersed, Revain will encounter more use, enhancements, and worth increment. Capitalization. Presently positioned 314 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $52,091,568, Revain has not seen the best of its days. At $0, the cost of Revain is pitiful, recommending that crypto aficionados would incline toward the venture as the business and quality need augments use. Coordinated efforts. Revain has banded together with the huge canines in the crypto space. A portion of its partners incorporate sharp flavoring in .x and Crex24, among other digital currency exchanger stages. It has cooperated with Enthusiasm, a blockchain stage for organizations to give items, NXT, IGDs, and some more. Revain current cost. Revain is right now worth $0. Rev has moved 9.30% as of now with an exchanging volume of $221,561. Revain is at present positioned 314 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $52,091,568 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination dissimilarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Revain to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Revain market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Revain Value Forecast 2022. Revain, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Rev cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Rev is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Revain Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Revain Rev cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Rev will before long outperform $0. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the Rev's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Rev will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Revain Value Forecast 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. Rev might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Rev is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2024. Revain Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that Revain effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the Rev coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Rev will be green in 2025. The Rev is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Revain Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Rev cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2026, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Besides, Rev has a greatest value worth of $0. Revain Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. On the off chance that Rev figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to assemble the help Rev needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $0. Revain Value Expectation 2028. While Rev is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the previous year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2028. Revain Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Revain will at long last outperform its previous ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Revain Value Expectation 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme Rev cost in 2030 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. The Revain Group has areas of strength for in computerized reasoning and huge information, which they are using to fabricate a modern criticism framework. The stage is presently in beta, yet it has proactively built up some decent momentum, with north of 1 million evaluations submitted. What is the Revain cost today? Today, Revain is exchanging at $0.